Potatoes are a well-loved ingredient in many dishes throughout the planet. These are excellent sources of vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, phosphorus, niacin and pantothenic acid. But because it seems, the potatoes have many other uses outside the kitchen. Here are 5 surprisingly strange but practical uses for potatoes. 1. Reduce the inflated eyes. Let's be real, we all have inflated eyes from time to time in the morning. There are several causes of inflated eyes: crying, staying too late, and allergy. Excessive sleep or tired eyes watching TV or reading a book. But, had no fear. Peel 1 large potato and cut into slices, cool the slices in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, lie and place cold potato slices on your eyes, wait 10 minutes and start again. If necessary, repeat until the pockets disappear. 2. Fill dark spots. As with inflated eyes, potatoes can help fade dark spots before your eyes are on your skin. Nutrients and vitamins found in potatoes help keep your skin pores beyond any dirt, dust, debris and germs. The starch of the potato helps to get rid of age spots and dark spots on your face. It's easy to apply. Slice a raw potato, rub it on your face and let the juice sit for 10 minutes, rinse your face softly. Dry with the towel, do it once a day to exhort to avoid any darkness. Stains on your face, use this mask once a week. 3. Make a hot or cold compress. Potatoes can contain warm and cold temperatures for prolonged length of your time. Thus, they will be used as a hot or cold compress. Make a hot compress. Cook or boil a potato, wrap it during a clean cloth. Use it as a hot compress on painful muscles or other painful areas. For a cold compress, refrigerate a boiled potato for at least 1 hour. Wrap the iced potato during a clean cloth or a sock. Use as needed. 4. Absorb the excess of food salt. When cooking, it is easy to form errors. Sometimes you will add an excessive amount of salt to your dish, which could ruin the taste of your meal that you worked hard. Do not worry. The potatoes can come to the rescue and save your dish. Do not throw your dish, simply use raw potatoes and save your creation. Take raw potatoes and follow these directions to get rid of the excess salt of your dish. Remove the peel and cut potatoes into thick pieces. Add raw potatoes with prepared or stew soup. Allow the pot to simmer about 10 minutes, remove the potatoes. Your dish will have the right amount of salt. 5. Remove the food stains from the hands. How many times our paste of carrots or beets, chop the berries, carve a pumpkin or use as curcuma powder? After you use them, you will probably have tapped hands. But, you do not rub your hands excessively or just accept stains hands. Simply rub your hands with the open side of a cut potato for a few minutes. Wait for another 10 minutes to allow the potato juice to try to do its job. Finally, rinse your hands well with water. If you want the video, provides a boost and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and advice, subscribe the channel.